Alright, so I gotta be quick with this one because it's about to start raining on top of me. So, this video is about how to use people's desires to get what they want, but also what you want at the same time. So, how to pretty much create a win-win situation by creating, not playing to people's desires, but pretty much just, it's their desire. If their desire is really what they want, your desire is usually tied to your heart. So whenever I'm trying to build my network marketing team, or things like that, it's more like, what do you want from us and how can we help you? So I do a lot of fact finding. I ask questions like, what exactly is your industry? What is your goal? Because most people, before I build my team, I always make sure that they definitely are getting something from working with us. I don't want this to be like a make money opportunity and then you just dip and go. Because I'm wasting my time if I'm working with you and you just get up and go. And then on top of that, it's wasting your time because you're not even getting closer to your goals. I try to create like a long-term relationship with the people that I'm working with. So, let's just say my friend Eric, what is your desire, Eric? Well, Eric, his desire is to have his own company. He wants to basically be a leader, speak in front of people. So what I do is I'm like, okay, look, I have a group of team members, squad that I'm putting together, and we need some more leaders. We need some people to come in and talk. We do some motivation. Eric is really good with social media posting. So, this is a way that I tell him, look, if you want to go ahead and grow your business and get more, sales and do more people's Facebooks, this is opportunity because you will have a whole organization of people that's in your favor that would basically pay you to go ahead and boost their social media. Or let's just say there's this girl, she has her own cake business, and why should she, what's her desire? Her desire is to have her own brand, like a big brand. So what I did was I painted the picture, I visualized and I painted the picture, what I saw in my vision of her winning, but winning through working with us. So her desire is to have her own sweets and her own cake, to have her own shop, to have her own brand, like to just be the big dog. And I told her, like, you know what? At our events, we need someone that makes cakes. At our events, we need someone to go out there and we need people, licking their fingers, having a good time. And maybe if there's, 50 people there, 100 people there, 1,000 people there, you're the direct cake plug. You're the person that's going to be there providing all of that. So I just paint the picture for these people, and I just tell them that, what their desire is what, I want for them. I want them to win. Because you'll never grow your team and you'll never basically get anywhere if it's all one-sided. You need to make sure that this is a win-win situation for not just you, but for them too. If not, I try to make sure that the opportunity is playing to their desires, but I also try to make sure that it's more of a win than it is for me. It is a win for me. I have to. I can't do anything without a win for me. But I make sure it's a double or a triple win for you. So outside of that, I'm getting rained on. Make sure when you do business or, you do anything with someone, make sure that you're playing to their desires first, because that is the way that you'll know if you're going to have long-term success or not. So talk to y'all later. Make sure you guys subscribe and get plugged into our Great Plug Network. Thank you guys.